What's up, everybody? Hope you had a great day. Guard Dog 39 here. Today we're gonna be driving in ATS. Just a short run. We got some huge tires to pick up. Billy Bob got some tires for his new truck that he put a lift kit on, so we got to go pick it up and deliver it. It's gonna be a real short run. Hope you enjoy. We get going here. We are running the W900 Kenworth. Looks like traffic's already picking up. Get rid of this. Don't need that. I can't really see. Yeah, we'll run up here and pick these tires up. We're only 3 miles away. We're up here at the train station, I believe. We'll roll in here and see where we gotta go. Gonna let us in or not? It's about time. Must have had to do a security check there. We'll see which one we're at, what bay we're at. Let's take a quick look here. Here we are. 10 grand. That ain't too bad. And we're not going that far, so that'd be a good run. Oh, come on. Please don't tell me I need an escort. For the love of Pete. Holy wow, he put one hell of a lift kit on his truck. He needs tires this big. That's some big tires right there. Yeah, whatever. Oh man, we do need an escort, really? Alright, for the love of God. Well, it is pretty nice though, you can run red lights. Well, I tell you what, this W900 sure does outpull the Cascadia. It's a nice truck. If y'all want to see any other games or anything like that, please leave in the comments. I'll do any games you want. Yeah, just don't hesitate to. Oh, this cop here is really working on me. Leave in the comments below. Please do me a favor, hit that like button to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Only downfall with the Escort is you can't go above, well, you can go a little bit above 40, but not by much. I don't know if I have my, no, I do. I didn't think I had my hazard lights on. I don't think I need them on. I don't know what we're looking at outside. Yeah, that's some big son of a bugger tires right there. Now I screwed myself. Oh, now we're getting over for some reason. I check the mileage here to see how far we gotta go. Another 86 miles. Well, I wouldn't mind just like passing this Johnny Law right here, but I can't do that. Well, I'd like to see the truck Billy Bob put his lift kit on is get these tires. It's gonna be a big one. See, we got traffic behind me there in the mirror. They're probably gonna try and squeeze on by, which they are right now. Oh, that looks like another police officer right there. Looks like an old Ford or Chevy pickup truck coming there. Man, this cop brake checks me. just screws me up. We're turning up here. I wonder what the heck was going on. We don't need to brake check me like that. Alright. We shouldn't have too much farther to go, I'm hoping. Let's check it out here and see how much farther we got to go. 49 miles. We're going to run both lanes here. It's always, every time I pick up these big ass loads, it's always at freaking dark. So I can't see the trailer. I'd like to put my high beams on, but they don't like that. Oh, now what do we got to deal with? What the heck is this crap? Apparently my escort service don't have their act together, or I wouldn't have to be dealing with this stupid crap right here. This is ridiculous. And by the way, folks, I am going to be doing some more NASCAR heat racing and some more Tony Stewart. And I'm really thinking about starting a Farm Sim 19 from scratch, starting it from scratch, no equipment, no property, just start from scratch and see if I can. My goal is to become a millionaire, starting with nothing. So if you're interested in that, keep following me and we'll check it out and see what we can do. No mods, no cheating, no money cheats, nothing like that. All legit. Well, I do have a couple mods, but they're like cars and trucks and four-wheelers and stuff like that that doesn't make you any money. They just cost you money. So, yeah, just check it out. I'm going to probably be posting that here in a day or two. I'm not sure what map we'll be playing on. The reason I haven't posted any videos recently is my girl just got back from out of state and she was away on a medical issue it's all good, she's fine. So we just kind of took a couple days and hung out because I ain't seen her since the week of Thanksgiving. So it's been a while. So she's home now and all's good, no worries. So now I can get back on to getting some videos out for you folks. Alright, oh, this is going to be a rough road. I know this trip. I've been down this road before. Literally. He's going to pull off here. Yep. At least now we can put on some lights. Yeah, this is a bad, rough road. This beats the crap out of the truck. And if you're using a Logitech or a Thrustmaster for that matter, steering wheel, your force feedback, wherever you have it set at, it doesn't matter. You're going to feel it. But it is about as realistic as you're going to get. Ooh, I almost stalled it there. Oh, I did stall it. Twice. Should have been a little heavier on the clutch there, but oh well. Yeah, I've been back here before. This is a rough road. Not 100% sure that 10,000 I'm going to get for this run is worth the beating my truck's taking. We should be close. There we are. Alright. Safe and sound. Didn't get a lot of money, but we got some money. And it was a short run anyway. Alright, we're going to go up here and spin around. Try not to hit that truck right there. Or that one. I can't see crap backing up, but we got this, and we can kill those wide load lights here in a second as soon as we get out of here. There we go. We'll get out here to there's a rest area out here. Let's stop out there. We're gonna pull in here. I believe it's over this way. Here it is, yes. We're gonna pull in here, call it a night, and thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me. Please hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Thank you. Enjoy your evening.